Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI.
Summer is upon us, which means that just about everybody is looking for a way to cool down, and this portable fan from JMOSTRG is a great way to do that. This fan has easily become one of my favorite things. The first thing I noticed when I first got it was how sturdy it felt. The handle is made of metal and it just feels nice in the hand and it's very comfortable to hold. When it comes to performance, the battery life is the real MVP. No kidding. I took this fan to my warehouse job for a 5 hour shift, and during that time, I had it on levels 1 and 2, and I had so much battery left afterwards. Actually, over a span of almost a week and using it a bit every day, I did not have to charge this fan, not one time. The 6 speeds really allow me to personalize how I cool down, and I was surprised that even on the higher speeds, I found it to be quiet, which means I can use it around other people and not disturb them. And while it's mainly a fan, it's so versatile. I can also use it to charge my devices and position it in different ways depending on my needs. And the nice compact size means I can take it just about anywhere. But you know what the best part of this fan is? The fact that it works. It didn't matter whether I was at my warehouse job, I was sitting outside, I was using it in the house. I could just be sitting on the couch no matter what I was doing. This fan kept me cool.
There are so many good things to say about this fan, but you'll just have to add it to your cart and see for yourself. That's my point of view.